Assalamu alaikum class 4. Today is Monday 6th April 2020. Before starting today's lesson, let's take a look at the homework which I gave you on Friday. On Friday, you were given the homework at workbook page number 3, B3 and 4. Let's see how have you completed these sentences. What do we call these people? A person who bakes bread, a baker. A person who sells tickets on a bus, a conductor. A person who sells fish, a fishmonger. Yes, correct. Alright. Now let's move next part. Write sentences about these things. Follow the examples. A refrigerator is something that keeps the food cold. A. We have the picture of clock and you were supposed to write the sentence about the clock by using the helping phrase. A clock is something that tells us time. B. A bat and ball is something children play with. You can use the word toy as well, that a toy is something children use to play with. So this was about the homework. And now let's take a look at today's topic. Today we are going to learn about using who and which, and along with this we will learn how to join sentences by these two words. So let's begin. The point to remember is that we should use who to refer to people, and which is used to refer to things. Yes. So let's take a look at the examples. These are two sentences. Yes. This is the girl. She came by bus. You can see these two sentences. We need to join these two sentences by using appropriate word, who or which. So let's start. This is the girl. Girl is a person, so we will preferably use who, not which. This is the girl who came by bus. And we will put full stop at the end of the sentence. Next we have, this is the bin. Bin is a thing. It's something. It's a thing. It's not a living thing. It's not a person. So, this is the bin. The dog tripped it over. Two sentences again. And now we are going to join by using which. This is the dog. This is the bin which the dog tripped over. We will put the full stop at the end of the sentence. This is the bin which the dog tripped over. Yes. Now, let's take a look at some more examples. I know someone who can help you. Someone is a person, so we will use who. So point to remember is that always use who with person or people, and which is used only for things. The clothes which he bought were quite expensive. Expensive means costly, something which is having a high price. So now let's take a look at our book. I request you to open up your textbook, page number 7. Yes. This is the question which we are going to attempt today, using who or which. Join the following sentences with who or which. Remember that we use only who for people and which for things. I hope you will highlight the points which you see here highlighted. A. This is the dog. It has a strange name. Two sentences are given to us here, and we will join these two sentences by using which. This is the dog. It has a strange name. This is the bin. The dog tipped it over. This is the teacher. She told the boys to be quiet. These are the children. They are throwing water at us. This is the fence. They looked over it. This is Mohit. He lives next door. This is the cat. It comes into our house every night. So A to G, all the sentences are in pairs. We are given two sentences and we have to rewrite them by making one. So this is your classwork. Let's take a look how you have to prepare your notebook page. First of all, draw a margin line. Then write down day and date. Classwork, unit number 1, Pippi Longstocking. Topic we have discussed today, using who and which. Now, statement. Join the sentences by using who and which. A. Here we have joined two sentences that are given in our textbook. This is the dog which has a strange name. This is the bin which the dog tripped over. This is the teacher who told the boys to be quiet. These are the children who are throwing water at us. This is the fence which they looked over. This is Mohit, who lives next door. This is the cat which comes into our house every night. Make sure that your pencil tip is sharp. Write very neatly, and first letter should be capital. There should be even space between your words, and make sure that you highlight which and who in the sentences. So these will be prominent, and I hope that it will help you to understand in a better way. So now it's time to take a look at the diary. Join these sentences with who and which as homework in notebook. Textbook page number 7C4. You have to practice these sentences in your notebook as homework. So this is all for now. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.